Hi YouTubers, how are you? Today we have two companies. Urban Harvest and Full Circle Seed. I ordered stinging nettles. It finally arrived. I was waiting a couple of days. One is from Ontario, BC. One is from BC, Canada. One is from Ontario, Canada. Both organic. See, that's what it came in. I want to just keep them separate because I wanted to make an experiment. Okay. Thank you. Invoice. Stinging nettle. These are two different, right? So this one I already tried in May outside, but it didn't work. Now I'm gonna try inside. Now it's March. That's the address. Yeah, stinging nettle. You can record a little bit about this. And then stinging nettle. Different guys. From okay, we're gonna keep them separate, as I said. That goes down, that goes down. Oh, see, the idea is I could buy like just the normal guys, like a green stuff, seed seeding pots or whatever, but I wanted to make it see-through. The idea is to make it see-through in order to make it hot. So the sun is gonna go through the ground and it's gonna make it hotter than it is not. It is with the colored. So see-through, and this should be able to work as a kind of two different size, right? Two different size if you wanna make it like a more compact, or if you want to make it higher. That's the idea. So fill it with earth, of course, and then put a little bit seed, just to put a little bit on the top. So in order to make it hotter than usual. We'll see how that is gonna work. We have this guy here, Pro Mix, organic, vegetable and herb, blah 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 blah. 20% bigger plant, 3 months moist, all that stuff. I don't know about that, but we're gonna just try here, and my wife can use it on the other things outside, right? How that works. Oh, it's here. I didn't rip it the right way. It is here. Okay. So you can close it again. Okay, let's try to do it. It's gonna be messy, but it is what it is. My wife is gonna kill me, I know that.
No, you're real clean.
I'm clean. I'm gonna be cleaning it. Okay. In these three guys, we're gonna put these guys, and I already pre-cut it from the cups. We're gonna put these guys here. So circle seed goes to the left. Organic seed, Urban Harvest, both stinging nettle, go to the right. Idea is put it here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And use the sun, use the south exposure, and do the work. Okay. These are the new guys. Let's see what's inside. I ordered already full circle, but these are different. Let's see. Oh, these are better. I think these are better because look at them. They are they look like a bigger. They look like bigger, right? So I'm gonna just show it to you guys how it looks like. Yeah, maybe I forgot how they look like, so I'm gonna just put it like this. See? Like this. Try not to disturb it too much. That's one. And then you can record from this side maybe. Yeah, it's slightly covered with the ground, and that should be it. Not gonna cover it too much. Add a little bit water. Maybe I should add water with the let's see. I'm not fully prepared, but I just came from work and I want to make it. I don't want to wait too much. I know you're gonna put some water underneath. That's okay. Oh, completely unprofessionally done. You want to put some water here and some water here. Let's see. I need to use some kind of better stuff, but I don't have that. I'm gonna just use it like this. So it does ugly, but you get idea. Next one, it's gonna be better. And I'm gonna cover it with the big one. So big one, and that's it. It goes here. Actually, we said that other company is gonna go here. You get idea. So I don't want to waste your time and do the whole thing again. I'm gonna cut it now, and then when I finish all 6 of them, I'm gonna show you the finished results. So it is a little bit brutal, whatever, but it's how it works. Second part coming. Stay tuned. Don't touch that remote. Okay, full circle seeds, packed for 2019, certified BC only. If you see in this one inside, it seems like a lot more seed inside, right? And we're gonna leave that here, compared to these guys here, right? This is Ontario, this is BC. So it seems like BC gives like a three times the amount, but that's okay. Let's try again. This one a little bit less messy. I'm gonna try to do it this time a little bit less messy. So like this, and I'm still gonna go with these guys. Urban Harvest. You couldn't record from the up, yeah. So let's see, you can see how it goes down. Okay, and then we're gonna use this thing here. I'm trying to improvise. Oh, hell. I'm trying to improvise. I'm gonna put it in the bottom first. So it drinks, right? Ella, you see how seed, it drinks water.
How?
We're gonna put a little bit on the top here just to cover the seed slightly.
How?
So not too much. And then we're gonna go like this.
Ow.
See? That's good. And cover it. And those are 3 guys here. I finished 2, so 3. Now, do the same with the other guys. These guys.
You had to wait.
I know. Not gonna put too much. Now try these guys. Ooh, a lot of them. Maybe it's too much, but it's gonna be experiment. You're gonna see.
You don't mean a mess.
I made so much mess, I know. I'm gonna clean it, my wife, promise. I promise.
I'm not mad at you.
You're not mad at me?
No.
Thank you so much, you're not mad at me. Because it's a matter of time. It looks funny, right? But
I put it on your hand.
I put too much, right? It looks like I put too much. Now I'm gonna use a little bit higher. So this is different, company. Ooh, holy moly. It's a mess and mess.
And mess and mess.
And mess. I think Baka is gonna be mad at me, right?
Yeah.
She's gonna be mad at me. Let's speed up the whole process. Let's try to do it like this. It's already messy. So just make it more messier. Yeah. Good.
I'll make a ball.
Again. These BC guys win. So who do you think who's gonna win? BC guys or Ontario guys? More seeds or less seeds? Because they have a kind of same things. There you go. Because I'm crazy, that's why. See? That's for the water to drink, to be drank by the plants, by the seeds. How? If we are lucky, they should be in a month and a half, up to 2 months. We should be having the plants good enough to be put outside. Yeah. Where? Outside in the backyard, in the garden.
Wow, why?
Why? Because we want to grow something in nettle because they're very healthy. Okay. Don't touch it, please, Ella. Can you move? No. Go that way. Go other way. It's all done. Doesn't look appealing. Doesn't look good. But it's gonna be like that. So I'm just gonna leave. So full circle guy, full circle seed guy, and the organic seed guy here. Sorry, my wife. I promise I'm gonna clean up the mess. Don't worry about that. So just come from this side because I think you're gonna have some problem because you're recording against the sun. Hey, directly into the sun's not gonna be good. Come here, Ella, from this side. Come here. Okay. Do you think it's gonna be good? See, drink some water seed and make a plant for us. Do you have enough sun and heat? Good? Show thumbs up. Show like this. Show to camera. Look at Baka. Look at Baka. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep you updated in about a month and a half. Whatever happens, I'm gonna show you what happened. Thanks for watching, and thanks my wife for recording me in this messy endeavor, experiment, whatever. I think it's gonna be really good. I hope for the best. It didn't cost me too much money. $15 for the seed, $15 for these seeds, and about $15 for the plastic, and a little bit extra time. So we'll see. If everything is fine, it's gonna be growing a little bit, just enough high or strong enough to be transferred outside. Thanks. Bye bye.